When I've asked Unitarians what their spiritual practice is, answers are all over the place. One of the more common answers is walking in the woods. Connecting to nature is indeed a vital spirituality. Spirituality is about being a part of something bigger than yourself, the context of belonging that imparts meaning to life. Earth and sky, mountains and waters, trees and animals, and all their complex interrelationships fits the bill. Nature practice. Here are some entry-level nature spiritual practices that anyone can do. 1, sit for 5 minutes or longer each morning or evening and look at whatever you can see from the best window in your home. Use patio, deck, or porch in good weather. Be still. Notice what you might not have seen before. Be curious, like a child. Be grateful. Take a deep breath and say thank you before continuing with your day. 2, go on a short walk in your yard or neighborhood. Appreciate each sign of life and beauty. Stop and look closely at small things. Notice details of color and shape. Be amazed by the intricate web of life in which we live and move and have our being. 3, when you drive to work or on an errand, don't turn on the radio. While still driving safely, notice trees, grass, flowers, sky, wind, sun, birds, and maybe crops, or rain, squirrels, and any other animals. Feel blessed by all of these because you are. For more about intentionally connecting to nature, see the post at cucmatters.org. The link is in your eCommunitarian.